happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, darling. This is Journey with V. If you don't know me, my name is Vanessa Naku. So yeah, I'm back with another vlog, dolls. So I'm gonna be heading to Eastern Cape, but we have a problem, Sana. We have a problem, Sana. Oh, but I'm gonna go fix it, and then yeah, I'll be taking you guys with. Love you loads. I'm so not okay because what's this? This is exactly day after I did the nails. I'm so not happy with the service. I'm just not happy. That's it. I won't mention any names, but yeah. Then you shouldn't get up. Yeah. So about when we look about Pinky, where that's time.
Ngifundo zami ngizithathe nazo bali 1 2 3 4 thatha
Lona endleleni ebheka Ezilalini ndathi nifika nje eteksini ndabiwa bubuthongo. This is me waking up. Ndiqise kwenye indawo andazi noma sasiphi. And I was like, I'm not serious. So sasezawufika apha. I think we were close to Queenstown. Yeah, if you know it, Lendao, you can comment on the comment section, but now you know it. But yeah, Besilapa. But I'm gonna try to insert clips as CP exactly. So yeah, guys, yo been on specific because I'm not there to taxi and ngabantu baba no shares club taxi. In case you figure higher, so that I can show you everything, take you guys with me as in that way. Ni enjoy enamo. Enjoy the vlog. We are in Queenstown. So now we're gonna go to my I don't know what you call them, but sorry for the noise. I'm in the bathroom. So we're going to my village now. We're going to my village, and my hair is looking bad because I'm gonna fix it when I'm at home. I don't care now. Just wanna go home. Because I've been sleeping in the car for like hours. So yeah, see you when I'm home. I'm those people who like supporting small businesses. And at Queenstown, they say, and I was quite impressed, and they gave me a free spray.
Even ngaphakathi uyaspraya ngaphakathi upressure le-brush isone then uthathe le-brush ukhuhle ngalo uthathe indwangu yakho nje yomile nje wesule ngayo abanye ngokusebenzisa amanzi awusawasebenzisi ukuqedela kwakho uthathe indwangu yakho nje yomile nje yalo wesule ngayo abanye ngokusebenzisa amanzi awekho right siswami ama-leather bags ama-leather jackets i-roof lining zikasisi osofa carpets bakho la endlini sebenzisa nje lo muthi ngaphandle kokusebenzisa amanzi.
Okay, let me just show you.
Show my hand.
Guys, you're not gonna show, it's just your hands. Guys, you have massage. At least it's short. Wow, makhulula. Tawuthi 10 ke makhulu kunoping. Tawuthi 10 wena kunoping. It's nice to talk to you again. So I'm currently in Eastern Cape, as you saw on other videos that I was traveling to Eastern Cape. So yeah, Ezilalini and Ezilalini between Lali. I just took both because I think around 1 p.m. So yeah, I was too tired because it takes it here delay because I think I traveled around 11 p.m. So yeah, hence I indicating 1 p.m. So yeah, okay, guys, on to the next. I'll try by all means to show you everything. But obviously I won't capture every moment because remember, we're traditional people, darling, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to update you all that it's me. I'm still here and still fresh. I'm still good. Arrived safely. That's what is important. So I'm just wearing my, what do you call these dresses? I don't know, but let me just show you. This type of dresses, it has a slit arm, but like, yeah, I don't know, I can't show you. So we're currently gonna go to the shop Ngoko to buy a few stuff, and then yeah, let me show you a little bit of my home. Yeah, but most of the content I'll take it like when it's easy. I can't bore you with like what do we do, because obviously for now I can't be content. But yeah, my loves, kesana ndinithanda manyanyani. And Sana didn't come for my wig because Indiana installer, and then Angelina and the emotion installation. So I'll fix it if I can, but I can't this is Eastern Cape, so I can't go. Like it's not pressure, I said not pressure, but I won't show obviously, but I'll fix it. But for now, I'll just use this hairband, darling. Ezilalini. Pressure on my legs sitting. I think in December for now and they are glow and stuff, but because of it, I have nails, which is my excuse. But yeah, I did my nails. So yeah, I think I did show you. But yeah, okay guys, bye. I'm trying to show you all my outfit, but kukumoya. But yeah, okay, bonakan. Yes, Susanna. But yeah, this dress is from Shein. I bought it from Shein just for Upala because I'm in the lollies. So yeah, I'm in the lollies, so I wanted to be comfortable and it gets me in the house. So I wanted something as about loose. So this dress, it was like 200 and close to 300, 259, something like that. So yeah. Spoken in the content. Can't be minutes of baking. What? If you ain't I think you lay English right. But me looks of baking. But it's this year bonagala. Hayibo. Kusango 6 kodwa yena kudala emkile apha endlini. Anganalo uzolunga sana. Uyangihleka umakhulu uthi bekume uthi umakhulu kumele upheka ngo4. Dithiwo. Sorry. Hayi ndisaza adjusta bethu ndisafika soze. Son. Cats can do drunk lunch. Oh, I'm so long. Mom. It's the morning, Kesana. Tishiwe. Sekuyiwe na komnyumzi. Ekungena kuyo don't know. But umakazam vukeza ke ngekho. Lezi nkukhu zingxila yona. Ungasho bayingxilela nini le nkukhu. Ivusa abantu. Okay, maybe 6 is the last waking up time. I don't know. But I don't think the strong ngale into yalapha into. I need to wash my face. Distaselewa ka kuthiwa bendithenza kuvuka ngo4 ku6 ngoku at 6 on the dot. Hence inkukhu zalapha zingxola. Xa zithi sigqabelisile ke uthini kwenza alarm. Oh. Hayi ndiyaxolisa. Making tea for umakhulu. Utyibisa libandayo tsho. La utshwala abantu ntsho. Uyosiso. Ndana lot. Okay. Yo. Hayi sana boya lephuza tsho. Oh. Abefana bebefuna kwa izolo lanti. Ndizawudlala intombi enkulu beyaphuphu.
Uzawuceba izambane lo.
Ayiko kube kukala nti. Endibuzi. Futhi intombi yami zibe kwisaladi bethuna. Ndiyabona usiswa kuzithembile. So benzizawufika ndikubuze. Ngelo wesikhona lemhlophe yami ngikhona uba ndishiyile ke sanakho. Wa alekati sana chomi. Akwanjwa ngoba waze wane-nails ke apha, so you have to work xa sebenza. So this is me just washing a few things ebezisetyenziswa ngokuba kusilwa utywala, isefu nelantika nemicephe yonke loo nto leyo. Another thing that people should understand is that xa usezilalini awube sesicwicilile just because ezinye izinto mhlambi awuzikholeli okanye awuzenzi according to your beliefs and religion. Ayithi loo nto xa setyenzwayo susebenza ume ecaleni besesicwicilile kuyasetyenzwa. Because I know certain people like asking themselves questions because they know of my beliefs in religion, but ukusebenza akunanto naku-indulge into certain things that are done by your family and all that. Ubuntu is that awuthi ngenxa yebana ezinye izinto ungakholelwa kuzo, but xa kufakwa isandla ungasebenzi. Khona ukusebenza kwakho ngamandla wakho, like uklina izinto, akunanto nobana wenze anything. I've just finished ukuhlamba izinto ezawudingeka and stuff. So after breakfast then sisaklina salungiselela ngoba kuzobakho lo msebenzana uzaba khona apha emini xa kubuywa ngapha pheshe, because kwenziwa umojiso. I think my grandma said kuyojiso. Yeah, sorry for the lighting. So umakhulu wam uthe kuyojiso, andiyazi noba yintoni, but kuyojiso kanye ngumo. But she mentioned it in the video because uthe yenza YouTube. Not her, yazi nguye omane ndikhumbuza uba uthe yintontoni fanele babone yonke into further. So now she just took me a video of the cleaner and stuff. I love her so much, Kesana. So yeah, ndizalandika ngoku ndizolungisa nam because babathi befika abantu nam sendi right, because igyala soze ihlale nje sokusetyenzwa. So yeah ke guys, I love you loads, Kesana. Bese bandisaklina nangoku i-nails, akunanto na-nails ezilalini. Ziphukile mntasekhaya. Ziphukile sithando. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna catch up, guys. Love you. Ketile for when's it?
Oh, thatha mama. Sebuyile usisi.
Ubhizi wezilala. Omama bokuhlala.
Wow.
Asibasa.
Iya ke ntombi. Ebethu nezintombi zikhulu. Akaniya beniya baphicala.
Sangaba kwasosuthi emampeni.
Na uthole ba nipsipe kaka.
Sisa emampeni lalo emampeni kwasosuthi. Kwasosuthi.
Hayi masiye ntombi singashiya izinto eziphekwayo. Hayi masiye.
Hayi makuyiwe.
Ngoba kaloku andiyenzanga into nabantwana bakhe.
Yes. Hello guys, so sisaya kanye indlu kuthiwa kusemthonjeni. So yeah, I'm gonna be busy and stuff. I'm gonna talk to you later xa ndifika endlini. Dad, imali ndithatha yakho. Sanokuchopha nani makhulu.
Uzawiswa into usekapa na?
Sizajwa masivele.
Hayi bethena
Uyayibhadala.
Ezampumlo. Bonondala baya. Noma kuliwe. Umuthini kum
Andithethi into. Ndabe ndiyakusokolisa.
Loma kuliwe mntana mpa.
Ndabe ndiyakusokolisa sana. Uyayiva ke wona?
Uzahle ulopuye.
Uyamazulu ntiki.
Noma.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Packs off being Ezilalini sana. Ambona ayifiki. Ibi nenqatha. Sana inyama yenkomo. Isulele enhloko. Sisulele enhloko sana. Iwesibasi saya komnye umzi guys. Saya komnye umzi just imagine. Sizawulala sizizipatsi apha vake wava. Wo, utha sizulu libarongo nacho. Utheke, my aunt said bala imnyama phela uyitye isisu siqe. Ukuze ngakulumi. Ngoku ndithenete ngoku. Ndiyazi actress akaze ndihluthi ngoku. Zawusela amarhewu ke ngoku. Ndiqoba ham ndinjenje silinda abazayo. Ndiyazi bazawugoduka ukuhle. Ndandifunda apha kwesi sikolo ke sana, but only grade R. Ndandifundiswa nguMiss Manqanqa. Miss Nanqaba, yeah. So this is my school. It was lovely seeing it again. I think besawukhawuleza besilambile. Khasihluthi sana. Besizawukhawuleza babe sithwasilana.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an
Today is Sunday, which is the 8th of December. So yeah, I just woke up. I look crusty. I look crusty in this good here. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then I'll go eat oats because they cooked oats at 6 a.m. They cooked oats at 6 a.m. Where are we? I said that this is Eastern game. But anyway, they didn't want to wake me up, which I like. So they said mine is still in the lower house, because there's like that, which is we call a hut. There's a hut down there. So I'm sleeping in the other one. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat after like washing my face and yeah, everything. So yeah, okay, guys. So yesterday what happened is we went to 3 different houses, you know. We went to Emampeneni, we went to Emtonjeni, Emakebeni, and then Magazuya Tolandia update. And then we went to the third one, which is still a family store. So yeah, we went to 3 houses, and then that was it. I was tired. I couldn't update you guys of what was happening after because I was too tired. Again, I ate and then I slept. So yeah, okay guys, that's what happened. So I just woke up now. My aunt woke up at 3 a.m. Kesana. So now I was still sleeping, and then I woke up at 4, and then I Lala again, because there was no way I was gonna help her out. So basically I thought, Ima, I want to tell you this. Basically I thought I was gonna cook, but when I was told about the times of cooking for Umkweta, I was like, there's no way. And my aunt already knew, because when I was asleep, so I already knew Bana I won't be able to make it. So she's the one who cooks, you know. And then Abantuana, which are the kids, then they send the food, or the person who's staying with Umkweta comes and takes the food, yeah. So yeah, I'm not cooking. Maybe I'll try. I just sent things. I just gave him snacks, because I just gave him snacks and stuff. And then my aunt is the one who's cooking. Who I guys, I wouldn't be able, Sana. No, 4 no 3 a.m. No, I don't even want you guys to look at me like, I am Vanessa, you're in Instagram. What I'm sleeping now. Ingondam tells me that you wake up at 7, because usually my classes start at 8. Yeah, so at those times I'm usually in bed, and my mind tells me to wake up at 7 to prepare for class. So even now, I'm sure it's past 7. I'm sure it's past 7. I'm sure it's 20 past or something like that. So okay, yeah. Then as time goes, because in the 3 days I have 3 days here in Eastern Cape. Maybe I'll adjust as time goes. You know, you never know, man. You can't judge someone. You know, you can't judge someone. Maybe I'm gonna change, right? And but yeah, that's what happened. Okay, guys, I just wanted to update you. Then this is another day, another dollar. This is the 8th of December on a Sunday morning. If there's not much to do, I won't vlog. But like I will show you like the activities, because I don't know if I'm gonna do voiceovers, but I'll try, because I just show sometimes like things that are happening, because I just want you guys to be updated. Some people have never been to Eastern Cape. So I just wanted to show some things that are down here and stuff. So yeah, love you lots, darlings. Let me go, and I already feel like Ndianuka. I want to wash my face and then wash my bye. I just finished brushing my teeth and washing my face. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit fresh than I was. Because I don't like, I'm quite noticed. So I don't feel comfortable saying something. But yeah, also I'm that YouTuber who's not gonna show you, or it's just gonna be bits and pieces if I do it in the future. I don't know. I just feel like it's gross to like to people, you know. But yeah, you can catch it on other YouTubers, darlings. Okay, I'm joking, but like really, I don't like. And as much as I don't do it gross, but like still, I don't want to show you guys that. But I just finished that, so now I'm gonna go to the other house, okay, still 1 yard. If you know, you know. I'm still gonna go to that hut that is there and then go take my food. Cause yeah. Yeah, I think I've updated you already. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. If there's anything that is happening during the day, I'm gonna vlog. But if it's too busy, I won't be able to vlog. But I will try by all means to vlog, you know. Cause yeah, even my guys, my family reminds me, I was a vlogger. Lentov, I love them so much. So now she was singing, Titinda vlog. Okay, yeah. So anyway, that's my mom, guys. She was still young, and then I think it was her metric ball. Cause I'm showing. It doesn't really show. Guess I'm like telling the baby, Kucha was a waterfront, you know, waterfront like VNA. So what happened? She was not actually in VNA, but Undo Ofotayo took a picture of her, and then what had a picture big waterfront. I don't know if you get my point. So the picture is actually taken into another place, and then the person who there's a photographer like Dala, you know. So what they did is what they did picture Becca water. Okay, I'm not laughing. I love how they were designing things. Okay, back in my film, they say they take a picture of you. But take a picture by seek a picture, and then they go put it in the clouds or close to a lion or something. I don't know, man. They were so creative. Was when so bad in my film. Like was when so you wouldn't be able to stay with Ingonyama if you were like actually like this, like ni clearly up and clearly up. But when they would make you stay closer to Ingonyama in the picture. If you get me, but it's so amusing. Every time I see these kind of pictures, the Izabo, then on the dome, was when I saw so different. Okay, we're gonna talk during the day. Yeah, talking with this Sanjay Pango. Love you so much. Get my darlings.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Ndihlambile ke ngoko ndizayopha ihagu ke sana ndiyazi ke nezoyika. But ndizipha amanzi because it's literally hot here. Andiyazi temperature but it's hot. I'm sure you got 30 something. So ndiyopha zona ke amanzi because ukutya beseziphiwe ekuseni and kuthiwa ziphiwe ekuseni ke sana. I don't know why, but yeah. fan andiyimeli into yela akho inkulu mna because iyabhulisha enye atasibhulisa. Okay, azinakho ixesha laloo nto uyayiva nantsi ibetha enye iyabhulisha ayifuna isele kanti yona incinanga I guess andiyambhora mna mabhulishayo ayi ndibagalelela amanzi okokuqala ne ngoku ndiyogalelela amanzi okwesibini because ndibona ngathi zinxanwe nyhani and bezingacingwanga apha because they're busy with something else so bendiyozipha okwesibini ngoku okwesibini ifunisela yedwa hayi ayabhulisha. Ndiyanazi ke nina ezinye izinto anizazi sisidudu samarhewu esi. Okay, if you know you know, and if you do know how to make amarhewu, please comment down below on the comment section darling utsho uba mna ndiyakwazi ulenza irhewu okanye ubhale amarhewu. I'll just know ba wena uyakwazi ukwenza amarhewu. This is my aunt making amarhewu esi sisidudu samarhewu. Then after umakhulu wam iye ahluze because aziqaqamozi so that bekuze sibe fine mele sihluze and then ke ngoku sitsho siselwe atsho asele I mean yeah. So this is the process whereby you have to cook and then ke ngoku after ahluzwe ndizanibonisa nezinye izinto ke eziye ziphekwe ezinye ezenziwe because not everyone is exposed to such life, you know, njengalapha. Yeah, so I'll take you guys with kuyo yonke into ndizawuzama ngandlela zonke uba nibone esi ke ibisonka sedodi asikho nzima ke naso as you see ezithandwa ndim. It's in the morning guys. It's the 9th of December, which is a Monday. So yeah, ikho nto ingako. It's just gonna be izidudu iserhewu sizokwenza zona ngoku, then after that we'll see. saw an opportunity to take a video because the sun and Abasana isn't lighting like the fun. I'm sure most of our clips are not really good, and I'm sorry about that. But yeah, there's not much but I'll just show you what's happening day and day. I won't be talking too much, but I'll do voiceovers obviously to some of the clips. But yeah, I can't think I'm just gonna cook. That's it. Love you, love you. It's a Tuesday, the 10th of December. So yeah, guys, we just woke up. It's let me check the time. Xhosa is 7. So if you remember, besisenza isidudu serhewu. So now sizohluzwa ngomakhulu wami because I can't do that. I have to watch so that Namu I do it. I'm able to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. Anyway, guys, hope you're still enjoying the video. Please don't forget to like and comment, and also do watch my other videos. If you haven't, watch them, because like there's videos that don't have much views, which is you don't get back to the videos, you just continue with what's happening. But I would like for you guys to continue watching as much as you go to the previous videos, and like and comment to them also. And also I would like to hear from you guys, like what other videos should I shoot? What would you like to watch from my side to this journey with you thingy? Yeah, let me show you how we do it. So hence I managed to record the clip. So please do comment, guys, because or tell me what you can do. If ever then I can say I'm proud of you, girl. I'm proud of you. If you can't do as easy in Dosana, it's a today bonnet because I have my hair because ndithule yonke lo weave mna apha kukho ilanga, so I can't put on a wig, so ndikukhulelwa installer. Luckily I did my hair most, you remember, so ngaphansi bendingoyikisi because I went to do my hair that day on that maintenance video, so yeah. Ngenxa yoba sibaninzi ke endlini, ngoba xa kugodukiweyo niyayazi uba wonke umntu from different places, from Cape Town, Joburg, George, nice na whatever wethu abanye basuka khona, so siye sidibane ke ngoku, which is ikhaya khulu sonke, so besibaninzi we had to cook esinye isidudu samarhewu ngoba sibaninzi, you know, we have to accommodate everyone. So this is us cooking esinye isidudu serhewu. Apha besisipholisa ke ngoba last time sityiwe zigusha besisibeke phandle because besifuna siphole, so ngoku besisenza sure ngokuba sihleli phaa phandle siyasipholisa ngokwethu because sana yo besivelelwe. But yeah, at least ngoku siyayazi uba besisigade ngokwethu. Nazi futhi ezigusha. But yeah, guys, that's it. I just want you to enjoy the scenery and everything with me because I love watching nature, guys. I just love everything about it. Ndiyayithanda. Abanye badla ngokuthi ndilobole phakathi xa bebona iinkomo, but xa ndibona iinkomo ndicinga inyama mna ndicinga ijejana sana, nqonda yo ilandika i-ribbon ophuma phaa ndiyifake i-sauce and spices. I know that's wrong, guys, but like ndicinga inyama, ndiyicingile yini yobana khandilabole phakathi xa ndibona inkomo, but ke that's fine. Mna ndibona inyama, nina ndibona iinkomo zolotyolwa. I'm joking, you guys, but yeah, I just want you to enjoy the scenery and everything. I won't be talking much because I get tired of boring you. I just want you to enjoy the views and everything. So yeah, guys, enjoy.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. So then, why?
Hello you guys, just a quick update. This video is going to be divided into like 2 segments. Okay, not this video, but there's going to be 2 videos. So there's going to be Vlogmas part 1 and part 2. The clips I recorded is going to be long. I don't want it to be long. I want to be on the trend also of a Vlogmas part 1 and 2. But yeah, there's going to be Vlogmas part 1 and part 2. Reason being, I don't want the vlogs to be long, because I do believe that your concentration span is low. Okay, I'm joking, but yeah, I don't want to bore you guys. So I was just going to say, onto this video, why is Noelle into this video, it's just going to be scenery, because like I want to show you like what's done here, how people live in here and all. And also I want you guys to communicate, to tell me if there's something you want to see more, like there's something you would like to see on the videos, because I might do maybe a part 3, I don't know, but I know part 3 is going to be like a different whole story. It is not going to be scenery, it's just going to be me vlogging the day or the days, I'm not sure. But yeah, you guys, so yeah, I was just going to say that. So I'm going to divide it into 2. I don't want it to be long, I don't want to bore you guys already. So yeah, so in this one, expect scenery, darling, because I know not all of you know Eastern Cape stuff, not all of you know the rural life and stuff like that. So it's going to be me showing you stuff that is done here, things that are here, materialistic things, and also the life, how things are done. Man, hope you get me. I'm rambling because I'm stressing out, you guys. I'm stressing out. Let me vent for a second. So what's happening is I've asked someone to help me out. They didn't have a problem with that, but the problem is with the supplier. That guy made a mistake on my orders. Ufake address wrong and mfake details kakuhle. Oh, I asked him to go again on the thing. But I don't have a control over this because I'm here at Eastern Cape Lapa. But yeah, you guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and also do go to the previous videos, you guys, and also connect with me on my social media platforms. On Instagram, v_dainty. On Facebook, it's Vanessa V now. On TikTok, it's v_dainty_n. And also yeah, wait, too, I'll just maybe put them in here on the screen. But yeah, do connect with me, go like my pictures, go comment and all of that. Yeah, so that you see other like nice aesthetics, nice pictures of me and stuff like that, because I won't be showing my pictures in here. You can only find me on my socials. And also maybe they may be my customer in here on YouTube that doesn't know that maybe I sell wigs, I do all of that. But yeah, you guys, I love you so much. The fact that you have managed to watch until this far, meaning you are ours, you're welcome. If you new, I love you so much. This is V. My name is Vanessa Naku. I like saying V, I think it's short. Yeah, this is Vanessa Naku that you're seeing here, this beautiful lady. Yes, Ezilalini. Yes, Ezilalini. Unolali wakwabani sana. Unolali wakwabani. Yeah, this is Vanessa Naku of this channel, Jim Opete Upper Darling. And now Opete, because when you are the supporter here, you are very much important to me. So yeah, I love you guys. Bye. I'm about to cook for the family now. Eat dinner. Is it dinner? If Mrs. Lalin. But anyway, I'm about to cook supper for them. Yeah, nothing much really, but yeah, I'm about to cook now. It's like lunch eating ngaba ya. Ndiye clean ngaba. Ikhona into yalapha na ezinye izinto zihlala kwenye indlu, ezinye zihlala kwenye indlu, so I have to do that up and down. But yeah, I'm about to cook for my family now. Kungathi kufuna unetha busuku at the same time kwilanga and there neza ngabe ngathi ikapa liza up or down because kuyachabaza ngoku and it's partly cloudy, like akukho ndingazo, like it's just cloudy, akukho ndingaba donguza nomoya all at once. But yeah, Rainy guys, sisaya komnye umzokhona kuyo umsebenzi. So yeah, I guess I think that excites me, but yeah, I will take you guys with me. But in the none of like a kwabantu abadala and stuff, I think that disrespect her. But since I want to take you guys with, I will guess I'm plan. So sisayohlala ke nabanye abantu because benamanamakazi wam, so she knows people. So apha ke besiyohlala, I think ngamantombi, utywala bamantombi. As much as besingazosela, but ayithi loo nto fanele siziphakamisi singahlali nabo. So ke sana kuyo yonke loo nto ke yenzekileyo bekomnandi bethunana. Kuyo yonke into yenzekileyo ndabona umem wam, which is uMiss Manqanqa, which I mentioned bandandifunda grade R kuye, and she really teached me a lot for umntana wakwa grade 1. I mean grade R. So yeah, okay guys, this is her.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay. Hello. Please subscribe to Vanessa Nagu's channel.
Okay, all of
My name is Philip. Or you can call me Phil. Cheers, guys. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye. Apa Lelan? Lelan. Ingxaki. Ingxaki ya. Mina umama ebengandisa igqithi Ba. Ndize kaka umakhulu wam. Mama Mfundi. Mamfundi.
akayimali into nayo yena
hayi wena zawuthenga inansi kalo uyayaba zawuthenga nto bona udopla yeah just animkhisile phele ngicabula leyo mali esiphakapha
Ndiyinyama ndiyenze wari. Guys, umntu oyetona ndibhatele ithoni ikhota nekamfara. Nandikla era ithi ba ivala chakalaka ndinjeya ndiyadlala ba but iyandihlekisa sana uyandihlekisa lo mali and kuthiwe ke sana ngoku ngobheki kira ba ningathi nizichakalaka nonke khona isoup kaloku but thina ngathi wonke amabhunga. Guys, I'm living for TikTok sana. Whoa.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Ndohamba sana, I'm so done. Umoya undenzini nemehlweni, and I didn't wear my glasses because ngafuna izibana dust and stuff, so ngiphume without them. Iinyawo zam ningandihleka sana ne ke ndinibonisa yazi xa ngifuna ube ndizinhlekisa, but iinyawo zam ngathi andayazi ngathi bendihamba phi. But yeah, I'm back and ndihluthi. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sleep and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Namhlanje besiye emaqatheni, and it was nice. Phofu ke, yeah, it was nice. We sitye inyama, sitye imingqusho, and yeah, net drinks and stuff. Yeah, isilungiselelo wethu kahle, and it was nice. Yeah, okay guys, inkathi ke ndizama ulala kweli cala because abakho abantu kwenye indlu le yayingaphaya. Nginconywa ke sangapha. Noma ngifike ndizijonge apha endlini because ayibo akube ningqoma abantu umhlalambanga bethanda ngumntana kabani ntontontonto nebazi ke abantu basezilalini. They ask a lot of questions, me being me ke ndiba kulaa mood yabo. And I love abantu abadala. Yo, they're so nice. So kuthi uba ngumnaba akamhleni kabangqona noba yile wiki bendiphatshesane xa nisiya kwiindawo ezinjena noba ukho mhle kangaka iwiki yakuzama mani ba yakuzama. Bendizisola yona ngohamba. Oh, super tired. Let's change. I just change into my PJs now. I'll just lay down. Yo, isisu ke ngoku siyabuya. I asked my grandmother to bring me ilantika. I asked her to bring me ikamfare, but she forgot. Yeah. So, hi, bye-bye, guys. I think this is my good night. Super late already up. So yeah, bye. Today seems like a cozy day. For me, it is a cozy day because I'm gonna be in my bed, watching maybe some YouTube or something. And I'm not okay. I'm so not okay. I think because of the meat I've been eating to these houses. Should I say houses? But because of my aunt. Because Ngoku andiyazi. I don't know if I'm bloated or what, but like I feel well. But yeah, now it's me and my bed. You guys, and right. But I just love this view of the weather. I just think I love it. It's so gloomy. It's gloomy. I think it's gonna rain maybe. I don't know. I just did a few exercises because I believe that if you have like a bloated stomach or something, you should move your body so that you help out with the constipation or digestion or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm feeling cold, and this thing's making it worse. It's so hot. Doha asana mphenke nyama ngoku. Abantu bandiphinda ndahamba nenyama ninibethe va. Ninibethe manyana. Oh, wase kwinyama nge-20. Nange-21. Nange-26. Nange-28, which is up endlini. Yo, ngicela ikamfari. Andizophumelela ungayithi. Okay, I'm joking. Okay. No, it's inside now. Jembe bendi sendilisizana ngoku benifuna ntoni enyameni engaka. Yo, sana ndifumaneke kakhulu. Ngoku imbili enandisela. Okay, it's not that bad bicarbonate. Lekuthiwa iyanceda nabantu balapha endlini oko betshaqeka sisisu, so bibanceda. But kum asihambisi bona bebehambisa. Okay, that's gross. But yeah, so bebanceda bona. Mna asibuhlungu, like sibuhlungu. I think ngulaa mingqusho. I hate amayeza ke sana. Like ngento encedayo noba yintoni. Bakho sweet andiyithandi. So ndizawulunga kudala belicacisa into engekhoyo. Oh, ndakho. It's not that bad. I think I just hate doing the Okay. I'm sorry. Being happy. Why so? Oh, I don't like it. What do you have strong business? Finally. And I pay la shame. Ndithanda ngayo inyama. Okay, let's be honest. Ndiyayithanda inyama mna, ndithanda nyani inyama. I'm such a savory person. I'm not a sweet person. Like, guys, even if you're buying me snack, don't buy me chocolates and stuff. Okay, I do eat chocolate, but it depends which one you bought. Like, mostly like, why are you lighting engine? I mostly dim the clock cool kagana. The clock cook kwenzeka ntoni nakule lighting. Okay, but I don't know. Come and be back again. So I usually eat dark chocolates and stuff like that. I'm not a sweet person. I have a friend that eats chocolates ngati. Okay, not chocolates but sweet stuff ngati. She loves it. Okay, so cute when I look at her eating those things because she's enjoying them. But like my friend, guys, yo, I come yes, is sweet like a hlafune, and I'd be like, yo, okay, I don't blame her because namndi inyama ndiyayisebentula, like I don't blame. But yeah, guys, ndisenosela le bicarbonate of soda namanzi alukhom ngoku. Kuthiwa ayanceda aze kangancedi. Oh, Sada. Oh, aze kangancedi net. You? Because this is something like I'm not playing. I don't know how to react to pain, but like ndaphela. Ndaphela nyana. Bendisiyaphi ezinyameni. Phofu kokurhuqa mana ndikuthiwa masambeni. Oh, and now I'm going to remember inyameni. But yeah, guys, I'll be fine. Don't be worried about me, okay? It's about right. And ndithembise uba ndizophinde nditye. And senje andifuni ndithembise. Not that ke anoyiyeka ndingayiyeka ndingayityi. But andifuni ndithembise. Don't say that. But andifuni ndithembise. Andifuni ukwenza promises. I don't like making promises. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be fine. Bendaphela, seriously, pray for me. Ooh, okay, bye, guys. I can't take it anymore. I wanted to say something, something, but bandilibelanga ngelinye ixesha andiyazi, but andikorayi ngoku and can't even pretend. Kumkane silungu, kumkane English. Guys, sorry. I'll see you. But I'll see you on the next clip. Bye. Love you loads. To people who are in Eastern Cape, unless you have something bicarbonate, be it soda water, be it be it camphor, like just no trouble. Ucela umakho mamphathele ikhamfari ndakuxhoba strong andithi bana ndizayitya sela kwami ikhamfari andithi ndizayitya. Okay, why are you 7? I'm so weird. I'm one weird person. Bye, guys. Love you. Endicinga uba ndisose ndiyivala le vlog, as I said, andifuni yenza ndim. Because there's also a next one. So this is our vlogmas part 1. Hope you enjoyed watching all the clips. Hopefully you learned something out of what I showed you on the scenery and all the beautiful views and what's happening, what's popping in EC. you know, Ezilalini. Yeah, guys, I love you so much. If you're new here, darling, I welcome you. Ndiyakwamkela sithandwa sam. You are now a darling if you didn't know. Yeah, these are my darlings in this channel. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, Kesana, because that's what we do here. And go to the previous videos and watch and comment if you have something to say or something that I should improve on. I allow you, I give you that platform. So yeah, guys, love you so much. Ke nonke ke sana. Ndiyaphela sisusu papa.